Hello, I have something for you later. I hope magugustuhan mo.
I want you to the bone. So we're here in Backroom. Napaka-social dito.
It's a fine dining restaurant.
Salamat, B. Dinala mo ako dito, B. Salamat, B. Dinala mo ako dito, B.
Oo naman, B. Minsan lang naman, B.
Kamukha mo daw si Anthony Gomez.
Wala na.
Ang tagal ka nang kilala, ba't
ay? Ito daw yung reaction niya habang kinikilig siya. Hindi ka daw na Korean actor.
Korea.
People are asking for a Korean.
Half Japanese, half Filipino.
Saan kayo pwede i-follow?
My part.
Ain't it funny how love hits you when you least expect it to?
Naisip mo na yun, right? Nung SF mo na.
Matagal na yun eh.
I'm so in love with you. You lift me up when I need.
Na-appreciate po pagka ina-appreciate. She's one of the most important person for me. Then I'm happy that I have the both of you in my heart.
'Cause you've been my heart.
Okay, I have a gift for you too.
What is it?
Make a guess. Something that you really very challenging moments. Especially in work, life. When you feel stress, here's a stress moment. And there's more. Both of your hands needs to be relaxed. There's another cushion. Will feel relaxed.
Nice. Nice.
Ganyan yun talaga sa event. First nila yun, tapos sabi ko sa event, pwede mo kaming stress. Ayun, oh sige. Tapos nakakatawa siya. Hindi siya makamove on dyan. Ginaganyan niya. Sabi niya, JC, huwaka mo. Oh my JC! Eh!
One more time.
Gusto ko yung pumasok tayo, suot ko na to.
To the bone. I want you to the bone.
It's empty. It's empty.
Kuya, kinabahan ka?
Kala kong pupunta.
Sarap mo, kuya?
Sarap, wala pa po.
Napakabastos naman.
It's a prank. It's empty. He's wearing the necklace.
Here's your stress balls. Do you feel relaxed now?
Day. Give me that day.
Kami mapalasinggaw ka.
Yes, getting ready for Japan to meet Martin's family. Kilig yan.
Kasal na ba kayo?
My future wife.
Bakit naman ngayon lang yung revelation? Ako yung unang beses pa lang siya nakita ni Doc, sabi niya, ingatan mo yan, pangkasalan mo yun.